was a Greek philosopher who made important developments in mathematics, astronomy, and theory of music. He was born on the island of Samos, Greece, around 570 BC. Little is known about his childhood, except that he was well educated and traveled a lot with his father. Pythagoras started a society called the Pythagorean cult, which was half religious and half scientific. They actively studied and advanced mathematics. He is responsible for the mathematical theorem we now call Pythagoras' theorem. This stated that in a right-angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse, side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This theorem was known and understood by the Babylonians 1,000 years earlier, but it was believed that Pythagoras was the first to prove it. The society which he led followed a code of secrecy. So though he is an extremely important figure in the development of mathematics, we do not know much about his achievements. Today, Pythagoras is still a mysterious figure. By proving this theorem, Pythagoras changed the world in more ways than one. The theorem of Pythagoras can be used in everyday life in many ways. For example, building and architecture, as it helps find the length of sides. Art, as some artists use a triangle as a drawing tool. Carpentry, to keep work square. Earthquake locations. Crime scene investigations. Video games environments are drawn in 3D using triangles. Most importantly, this theorem is the basis of trigonometry. This influenced the field of cartography, map-making, and the modern GPS system uses Pythagoras' theorem to enable its accuracy. Let me explain Pythagoras' theorem. There are two important rules. First, to square a number means to multiply it by itself. For example, 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. A right angle triangle has an angle of 90 degrees. The side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. This is the right angle, and this side here is the hypotenuse. We'll label the side A, side B, and side C, and label this side 3, 4, and 5. The theorem of Pythagoras states, in a right-angled triangle, the area of the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of the squares on the other two sides. Let's see if this works. 3 squared plus 4 squared should equal 5 squared. Therefore, 3 squared is 9 plus 4 squared, which is 16, which equals 25. It works. We have proved the theorem of Pythagoras. Thank you.